Manipur University NSS Cell na SHINDUNA Northeast NSS Festival 2025 ngasi University ASIGI campus ta Ching Lemlaba Thouram Kayaga Loinana Houdokkhre. NSS Regional Directorate in Guwahati amasong Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports ki miteng makhada pangthokpa festival ado cultural procession ama chatuna houdokhi. Cultural procession aduda Assam, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Meghalaya amadi Manipur gi NSS volunteer amadi program officer singna masagi nat ki oiba phazaraba fizet laiteng kaya setuna masagi culture saktak laba matong Manipur University amadi NSS ki firal chingkhatki. Thouram aduga mari lainana souvenir amasu phongdokhe loinana hanagi NSS coordinator Professor CH Ipohal, Professor A Rasmani, Professor Kaisam Sitaljit amadi Professor M Nodia Chan da NSS ki damak pangthok ki bathabak Thouram singui sakhang boina ikai khumna butki. Thouram adud gamari lainana MU gi VC Professor N Lokendra na hai festival asida saru yaba phangba siadu ki matek nungai pa fawi afaba amadi mai pakpa myoi ama oina bo khona bada mathau taba machak mathum seng NSS tagi phangba ngami haibada aiman bathok loi NSS na discipline empathy amadi mayam puna thabak tawminabagi hainabina chingba leihali masina gomjali singani nifu taret fawbada India si yamna mapangal leiba leibak ama oina semgatnabagi pandam thamliba sida chauna mateng pangba ngamlagani haina Professor N Lokendra namakha tana phongdokhi.
Youth in today's world as learners, leaders and change makers. I firmly believe that NSS plays a crucial role in nurturing socially sensitive citizens. The values instilled through your volunteerism, empathy, discipline and teamwork are precisely what our country needs to achieve its development goals of Viksit Bharat by 2047. Let this festival be more than just a few days of celebration. Let it be a spark that ignites lifelong friendship, fuel your sense of responsibility, and strengthen your belief in youth power to shape our nation's future. I would like to applaud the efforts of the organizers, NSS Cell Manipur University, and volunteers who have worked tirelessly to bring this festival to life.